Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will demonstrate how to generate PDF from Google Form responses using PDF.co and Make. We provide a link of the full tutorials in the description box below. Come and visit PDF.co for more information. We will use a sample Google Sheets document containing responses from Google Forms and will convert it into a PDF file. So without any delay, let's get started. We will start by logging into your Make account and click on the Create a New Scenario button. Next, search and select the Google Sheets app. Then choose the Watch New Rows option, which will trigger an action whenever a new row is added to your Google Sheet. Let's configure the Google Sheets settings. First, connect your Google Sheets account to Make. This will enable Make to authorize access to your Google Sheets. Next, let's use the Search by Path method. Then select My Drive as the drive to be used. For the Spreadsheet ID field, enter the ID of the spreadsheet where the Google Forms responses are stored. In the Sheet Name field, enter the name of the specific worksheet where the responses are located. You can then select either Yes or No to indicate whether the table contains headers. Finally, enter the range of the table headers in the Row with Headers field. This will ensure that Make can correctly identify the data in each column. Once the configuration is set up, execute the scenario to view all the responses from Google Forms in the Google Sheets spreadsheet. We have successfully executed the scenario and retrieved all the Google Forms responses in the Google Sheets spreadsheet. Now let's proceed with adding another application to convert these responses into a PDF document. In this step, we will add the PDF.co app and select the Convert HTML to PDF module to generate a PDF document from the Google Forms responses. Let's set up the PDF.co configuration. First, connect your PDF.co account to Make by adding the API key. You can find the API key in your PDF.co dashboard. Next, select the HTML to PDF as the conversion type. In the Input HTML code field, input the raw HTML code along with the Google Forms responses. In the Output File Name field, specify the desired name for the output file. Once the configuration is set up, execute the scenario to convert the raw HTML code into a PDF document including the Google Forms responses. PDF.co has successfully converted the Google Forms responses into a PDF format. You can copy the URL provided and paste it into your web browser to view the output. Here is the generated PDF document from Google Forms responses. We have a wide range of available tutorials that you can check on our PDF.co website. You may also visit our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching.